Hello, tonight I'm going to be unboxing my first box from HelloFresh. We got a $30 gift card, as we have another one here. I don't know if you can see this or not. $30 gift card, and we used it. Just want to try it out. So I really didn't understand I don't know, the frequency of the withdrawals they'll take off my credit card. But I end up paying with a $30 card discount. I end up paying out of pocket $9.96, and it's supposed to be for 2 meals per week for 2 people. And I'm not sure if that's per week withdrawal off of my credit card, or if this is just going to be $40 a month. I don't know, but we'll find out. And then we're going to use our other $30 gift card depending on how it pans out this month. So I got an email today, and it's only been like 4 days ago when I ordered this. So I got an email today that my tracking number and that it was actually up for delivery today. And I got home from work, it was at the door. So let me show you the box. Give me 1 second here because it's kind of big. This is the box, if you can see. And it's pretty darn heavy. And it's labeled all the way around. Simple recipes, HelloFresh. So I'm going to take my big knife that I have and open the box just to show you all what comes in it. I've always been kind of curious about getting the meal boxes, the subscriptions, but this time I actually did it. So right away inside the box there's a HelloFresh brochure. And it's just little cards, little tarot cards. I don't know what you would do with them. Start strong. Premium options. It just tells a little bit more about what they have to offer. So that's that. And then there's an envelope. So maybe what's inside this envelope will help me understand exactly how often. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding. Look at that. Another $45 coupon. I'm not cooking at all this summer. Man, I'm glad I opened that. Share the love, exclusive deal, $15 off, orders over $30 from Sherry's Berries. I'm using this tonight. I'm ordering me some berries tonight. Thank you, Sherry. And that's it for this envelope. There's nothing else. Okay. Next, they have nutritional information. A big card. Real nice quality. So far, so good. So I remember ordering or selecting the Balsam Fig Chicken. And here's the recipe and preparation card. Really nice. Really nice. So far, I am impressed. Now, as far as what the food tastes like, I don't know yet, but I will come back and let you know. And then the other meal for this week, because I chose 2 per week, is a Southwestern stuffed peppers. And these are big sizes. These are like legal pad sizes. And it's a nice, sturdy construction paper with a nice gloss to it, as you can see. So far, so good. And then next, they have it. I'll show you how they have it packaged. So I'm going to remove that. Okay, it's just, oh, okay, I see what it is. Here, let me show you guys. The box is like refrigerated, of course, because it's food product. So you can see they have everything bagged in here. And I'm just going to take those out one by one and show you exactly what's in both. So first I'm going to take out the balsamic fig chicken. And it's cold. So that this refrigerated box or insulated box really works well. And they have a label on it, the Balsamic Fig chicken, and they have it closed, sealed down, and they have a date on it or some type of serial number. I don't know if you can see that or not. They have some type of serial number on it, which is good. I'm glad. Put this right here. Let me open this because I'm making this. Actually, I'm making this chicken tomorrow. Okay, so it's just a bag full of ingredients. Let's see if you can see all that. Look at that. So I am impressed. I'm impressed. Let's pull out some ingredients. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we have some greens. And I really want to check out these greens, the lettuce, because right now there's a little scare going around. I wouldn't say a little scare for those who've been affected, but there's a scare going around. Fresh rosemary. I buy this in Walmart, so I like to season my food with it. It's a great seasoning. If you're trying to watch your salt intake, that's perfect. This is the most perfect orange. This is the most perfect lemon I've ever touched or laid my eyes on ever in my life. It is blemish free. It's perfect. Do you hear me when I say this is a perfect lemon? I don't have my glasses on, so I really couldn't tell you what the lemon says. There is, oh my gosh, fig preserves. A little jar of fig preserve. I think this is going to be a really nice recipe. I really do. And then there is, what am I feeling? What is this? A sweet potato. A nice sweet potato. I'm impressed, I must say. Another sweet potato. And then there is, I can't remember what you call these. It's not garlic. I'll have to look on the recipe card. It's not a, oh God, that feels like garlic. It feels like garlic, but it's not garlic. I can't call the name of it right now. Then there's a packet of, it just says HelloFresh chicken. It's just a little packet that you'd open. I'm not quite sure what it could be. And then there's a little bottle of balsamic vinegar. That's so cute. I mean, they give you everything you need to pull this dinner off, I guess, because it's chicken, I don't see any. So that's it for the bag, for this bag, but I did, what is this? I mean, was I supposed to buy chicken? I thought this was everything, but there is something else in the bottom here. This is the other bag, which I am going to open for you tonight. This is the other bag of the stuffed peppers. But there's something in the bottom, and I'm going to try to show you. I'm going to try to show you this. There's something in the bottom, which I think is the meat. See, there's another layer to this box, so I think that's the meat. Cooking is non-scientifically proven to make you happy. Don't forget to check under the ice for the extra cool ingredients. Okay, this is an ice pack, and it's a block of ice, people. A block. There is the meat. I see the chicken. So here is the chicken. Let's see. Boneless, skinless chicken breast with a HelloFresh label on it. I don't want this to leak or anything. There's the chicken. Meal for two. I'm not sure how many chicken breasts. Well, there's two. And then I guess this beef, the ground beef, is for the stuffed peppers. And here that is. Here's that. The ground beef. Let's see. Is it? Hello quality, 85-15%. 85-15 ground beef. So I'll put that back in there and lay the ice over that till I open up the other box. But what I'm going to do first is put these ingredients back in here. I don't like messing with meat and stuff. Put these ingredients back in here so I don't get anything mixed up. And I'm going to look on the recipe card to figure out what exactly this is because it's really killing me now because I want to call it a scallion. But I don't think that's the word I'm looking for. It could be, but I don't think it is. Let's get all this back in here so I can open up the next one. Sit that over there. So now, put this down. Oh, this box is nice size, that's for sure. So now here is the Southwestern stuffed peppers, which I'm sure I'm gonna love. And while I'm at it, let's look at that one ingredient. Shallot. It's a shallot. I just can't never remember a shallot. I've only purchased those one time, and I really do like them. Ooh, okay. Dinner for two. So I chose dinner for two. So I have 2 peppers. And they sent the yellow ones, which I guess would go with the Southwestern theme. So let's sit that right there. And crushed tomatoes. It's in like a little box. And onions. I mean, this eliminates going through the grocery store, looking for stuff, wondering what to cook. Shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Everything's measured out for you. There's no measuring, just follow the instructions. Again, here's the Hello Fresh chicken. I'm not quite sure what that is when this is beef. But what I'm going to do right now is look at this recipe card really quick. I don't know what that is. It was in the other box too. What in the world is that? Hello Fresh lime. It don't say. Maybe it's just something they give you. Chicken stock concentrate. Okay, I'm back. I swear to God. You guys, remember the lemon? How pretty and perfect. Look at the lime. Look at the lime. This reminds me of the lime. And some of you won't remember this, but back in the day when I was really little, and I always thought it was the first 7-Up commercial or Sprite. I'm not even sure which one it was. But the guy saying put the lime in the coconut, this just reminds me of that. Oh my God, that is so perfect. Hello Fresh. I mean, it's not squishy, it's perfect. Even those, the peppers I had, they're not squishy, they're not wilted, perfect. The onion, not wilted, perfect. These people really took their time with the ingredients. This is an onion, which I have a whole bag on my counter, but they sent me one just so I wouldn't have to go shop for any just in case I didn't have any. And it's just about perfect too. This is just crazy. I mean, I see a lot of people starting to make these subscription boxes, but these people, HelloFresh, have really taken their time. Okay, I cannot say this word, but this is the, here, let me put it up here. Those things. Quinoa. Those things, which I've never really had, but I'm going to get my chance to try when I make this recipe. And shredded Monterey Jack again for this recipe. I'm wonder, does this stuff have any? Yeah, everything has its own expiration dates on it. And I believe that's some type of regulation, which is fine with me, but warm and smoky, 1 tablespoon, warm and smoky Southwest. This is a seasoning packet, warm and smoky. And it even has an expiration date on the back. So that is it for my unboxing for my HelloFresh. Would I order from them if I didn't have the coupons? Now that I see what they send you, what they have to offer, yes, I would, because I was just thinking today at work, what am I going to cook tomorrow? Because I cook in the morning and I go to work in the morning. So I'm doing 2 things in the mornings. So this really just took a lot off of me just by having these 2. Everything's fresh. I go to Walmart now and you get squishy peppers and nothing is decent. And then I go to another store just to get fresh produce, but then I don't like the meat in the meat department because to me it smells like you can smell the meat from the front door, and I don't want none of that meat. So, yes, I would order from them even if I didn't have these gift cards. So I have another $30 gift card, and I have this $45 gift card that came with the box. So I'm really, really excited to place the next order, which I'm going to do tonight. Get my next menu together. It's very simple. Just go to their website. They'll ask you a couple questions. Do you like shellfish, or do you like pork, or do you like beef? And then they just throw out these different recipes or menus that you can choose from, and that's that. And I want to say I saw somewhere where you could select desserts, but I didn't. I don't know why. No, we can't eat without having some sweet afterwards. So that's my unboxing. I give this box a total 100. So yes, I'll be making my next order, and I will give you a little review on the food once it's prepared. Well, I'm going to prepare the first meal tomorrow. I'm not sure if it's going to be the chicken or the beef, but I'll prepare it tomorrow, and I'll review that for you. So hopefully this was helpful to someone who's been thinking about starting a food subscription through one of the many places that offers them. Again, this is HelloFresh. I'm not paid to do this. This is just something I wanted to do when I got this box. I want to do the unboxing on the video. So that's that. If you liked my review, please subscribe, as I have so many more coming up. Thank you very much and have a good day.